prime numbers. Maisha, do you know what are the factors of something, a number or something like that? What is the factors of something mean? What does the factors mean?
Like
What does a factor mean by?
something that could multiply that will equal to
Yes.
the
For
number.
example, if I give you a number, Maisha, for example, I'll give you a number 4. Fine. If I ask you, tell me the factors of 4. What will you tell? What are the factors of 4? How do you start off? Okay. The first thing that you do, Maisha, is to calculate the factor of any number. For example, I'll give you a bigger number. For example, I'll give you 36, number 36. To calculate the factors of this, you have to start off with the smallest number. Start off with a 1, okay? 1. 1 multiplied by how much will give you 36? 1 multiplied by 36 will give you 36, right? So 1 is a factor of 36. And next, 2. Let me start off with 2. 2 multiplied by how much will give you 36? 2 1 times is 2. 2 8 times is 16. 2 18 times will give you 36. Right, Maisha? Maisha? I cannot hear you. Am I audible to you?
Yeah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So 2 multiplied by 18 will give you 36. And what more? Can you please give me some more factors of 36? Start off with the 3. 3 multiplied by how much will give you 36? Give it a try. Maisha, what you have to do is 36 divided by 3. 3 1 times is 3, 3 2 times is 6. So 3 multiplied by 12 will give you 36. Isn't it interesting to find the factors? Yes, it is. Then we can just check off with the 4. 4 multiplied by what will give you 36? Yes, Maisha?
4 times.
What is 4 into 9?
4 times 9 equals. Wait, 36.
Yes, this is 4 is also the factor of 36. So in 4 table, you will find 36. Now we'll see the 5 table. Do you have 36 in 5 table? No. Then we'll say the 6 table. Do you have 36 in 6 table?
Yeah.
Yes, 6 times is 36, correct? Then we'll see 7. Do you have 36 in 7 table? No. 8 table. Do you have 36? No. In 9 table, you have 36. 9 into 4 will give you 36, correct? Then
Yeah.
again, 10 table, you do not have 36. Then 11, no. In 12 table, you have 36. 12 into 3 will give you 36. See how many factors we have found out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. And few more factors you will find. 15, no. 16, no. 17, no. 18. 18 into 2 will give you 36. Okay. All of these are the factors that you have. Then what more? Then nothing above after this. Then it is nothing but 36 into 1 will give you 36. Understood? These are the factors. So how many factors are here, Maisha, for 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So how many factors are here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 factors for 36. Is it not what it is meant about? What is the factors, Maisha? What does factors mean? Factors is nothing but, yes, what does factors mean, Maisha? Yes.
Something that could multiply by.
Yes, something with which it could multiply by, fine. But we have some concept known as the prime numbers, okay? Prime number is a number that does not have any factors except itself and 1, okay?
Wait,
Prime number
I'm just asking, the class ends at 8.
ends at after exactly 45 minutes from 7:15. It is probably 8:30 at your end.
Okay.
Okay, inshallah. Okay. So what is a prime number, Marsha?
A
It
prime
is
number
nothing but it does not have any factor, no factors. Okay, it does not have does not have any factors apart from itself and 1. 1 and itself will be the factors. For example, if you start off with the number 3, do you have any factors for 3? For example, do you find 3 in any other table apart from 3 and 1? Yes or no? Do you find 3 in
Yeah.
table 1? Yes, you find 3 in table 1. Do you find 3 in table 2? No. Do you find 3 in table 3? Yes. Apart from itself and the number 1, it does not have any factors. So this is called as a prime number. So 3 is a prime number, and also 2 is a prime number, and also 5 is a prime number, and also 7 is a prime number. Inshallah, we are going to discuss all of the prime numbers in today's class. Fine. So have you understood what are the factors mean? Factor is nothing
Yeah.
but it is divisible by which table? Okay, if it is divisible by 1 and itself, then it is a prime number. If it is divisible by anything other than 1 and itself, then it is not a prime number. So what is a prime number? The major general definition of a prime number is nothing but it is a positive number. Remember, the prime number should be a positive number. It should be divisible by 1 and only itself. Okay, for example, if you have number 7, do you find 7 in any other table apart from 1 and 7? Yes or no? Do you find 7 in any other table apart from 1 and 7?
Yeah.
You do not find it in any other table apart from 1 and 7. So 7 is a prime number. Understood now? What is the definition of prime number? Prime number is nothing but it has only 1 and 7 as its factors. It is only divisible by 1 and 7, 1 and itself. Okay, 1 and itself. Understood, Maisha?
Yeah.
There is no other number than 1 and itself that will divide this number. Fine. You cannot divide 7 with any other number apart from 1 and 7. Understood? This is what the prime
Yeah.
number says. Fine. For example, if I give you 12, is it a prime number or not? How to check this? You have to check with the table. Start with the 1. 1 has it already. Then start with the 2 table. Do you find 12 in 2 table? Yes, you will find it 12 in 2 table. 2 into how much will give you 12? 2 into 6 will give you 12, right? Even the 6 and 12 are now the factors, right? So this is how the factors are defined. Then 6, how many times is 12? 6, 2 times is 12 again. Then 3, you can also find it in the 3 table. 3, how many times is 12? 3, 4 times is 12, right? Again, you will have the factors 4, 3, 1, 2, 6, 12. All of these are the factors of 12, okay? But for example, if I give you a number known as 13, do you have any factors of 13? Do you find 13 in any of the table? Yes, no. No, right? 13 is not available in any of the
Yeah.
table
No.
apart from 1 and itself. Okay, so the definition of prime number is that it is a positive number. It should be divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, so now Maisha, I want you to give some example for the prime number starting from 1 to 10. Some number between 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9 and 10. I want you to tell me which is a prime number among 1 to 10. Start with number 1 and Maisha.
Okay.
1 cannot be a prime number, okay? Just remember 1 cannot be a prime number, neither it is a composite number. Something opposite to the prime is called as a composite, fine? Composite. You do not
Yeah.
have that concept probably. Do you know what is a composite number? Something apart from the prime number is composite number. Just remember this for now, fine? Now, next, let's go to the 2, number 2. This, you are going to start off with a 2, okay? Start off with a 2. You have to check whether it is divisible by any other table, in any other table apart from itself and the 1. Okay, do you find 2 in any other table apart from 1
No.
and 2? No, so this is a prime number. Next, let's just check 3. Do you find 3 in any other table apart from
No.
3 and 1? So this is also a prime number. Now let's check 4. Do you find 4 in any other table apart from 4 and 1?
You do.
Yes, you do. So this is not a prime number. This is a composite number. Next, we'll check the 5. Do you find it in any other table apart from 5
No.
and 1? No. So 5 is a prime number. Do you find 6 in any of the table apart from 6 and 1?
Yeah.
Yes, it is in 2, it is in 3. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So this is a 5 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 2 is a prime, 1 is a composite, 1 is not a composite. It is neither a composite nor a prime number. So apart from prime number, the 4 is a composite number, 6 is a composite number. And what about 7, Maisha?
It's
Do
a
you find it in
composite.
any table apart from 1 and 7?
Yeah.
7
No.
is prime number. Yes, it is a prime number and it is not as a
It's a
composite
prime
number.
number.
And what about 8?
8 is not. It's a composite number.
Composite, because it is found out in 2 table, it is found out in 4 table, it is found out in 8
Yeah.
table and more, right? So it is a composite number. And what about the number 9? Do you find it somewhere apart from 9 and itself?
9 and 10 don't is a composite number.
Yes, because 9 is found out in 3 table and also it is found out in 9 table. And then 10 is also in the 5 table. So it is also not the prime number, it is a composite number. So all these were the prime numbers and the composite numbers that we had to define. How to find the composite or the prime numbers, Maisha? You just have the simple ruling. The prime number should be positive. Remember this, okay? The first ruling to find out the prime number is, yes, Maisha, it should be positive number greater than 1. Fine.
Yeah.
Next, the prime number should be a non-zero number. It should not be like a 0. It should have 0 or any 10, 20, 30, 40. All of these, if they have 0 in it, then actually they are not the prime numbers. Remember this, 10, 20, 100 in this way, it should be a non-zero number. So this won't be a prime numbers. 10, any multiple of 10 is not a prime number. Fine. Then prime numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by any number except themselves and the 1. Remember this, it's except itself and 1. Only 2 factors it will have, itself and 1. So prime, now for example 7. So what does the factors it have? It has 1 and 7 as the factors only. Okay. So anything else apart from this, it does not have any other factors. Fine. So this is called as a prime number. Then something different, some more points. Prime numbers have only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Okay. This is also a condition to detect a prime number. Next, the another condition is 2 factors of a prime numbers are 1 and itself. This is already told. The way of finding the prime number is by the factorization method. That just I told you. The 7 you have to divide and see with the 2. You have to divide with 3. You have to divide with 4, 5, 6, 7. If it is not divisible, then we are saying that it is actually the prime number. Right, Maisha? Okay, the ruling that you apply is integer factorization or prime factorization. Fine. So we will deal with the integer factorization or prime factorization now, inshallah. So we'll start off with finding the factors of various numbers. Come on, Maisha, I want you to do it along with me. I'll just do it on the screen, inshallah. Okay. If I give you a number 231, I want you to find the factors of 231. How will you find it? 234. Yes, Maisha. Please do it on the screen. I want you to do it along with me. Okay, I'll just give you a first problem. I'll solve it for you. How to find the factors of the various numbers. For example, if you have 234, we'll start off with the smallest number, 2 and 3. We are going to divide it with 2, then 3 and 4. Whatever is convenient, we'll start off with that. Okay. Now, first we'll start off with the 2. 234 divided by 2. 2 1 times is 2, 2 1 times is 2, 2 1 times is 2 again, 1 is the remainder, 17. It is 117. Does it have a factor 2? Yes, it is, right? It has a factor 2. So 2 and 117. 117 is probably not further divisible. For example, let me just check 117 divided by 3. 3 1 times is 3. 3 2 times is 6, 3 3 times is 9. 10, 11. Yes, this also has a factor 3. Okay, 117 also has a factor 3, 3 and 39. 39 multiplied with 3 will give you this one. Again, 39 has 2 factors. So how much? 12, 1 and 3. It is 13 multiplied with 2 will give you 39, right? With 3 will give you 39. Fine. Maisha, are you getting this concept, what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Yes. What is this? It is nothing but factor tree that I'm creating. It is a tree of the factors that I'm creating. I'll show it again. If it is 234 here, beta, we have 2 here. 2 multiplied by 117 will give you 234. Now 117 again has the factors. It is 3 and 39. This is called as a factor chain that we are creating. 39 has again the factors 13 and 3. So these are the factors that are coming into picture whenever you're going into the depth. So again, 13 and 3 does not have a factor. So these are the factors of 234. How many factors does 234 have? If someone asks you, you can just start off with this one. It has 234, 2, 117, 3, 39, 13, 3. These are the factors of, and also 1 and, you should not forget to include 1 and 234 as the factors of the 234. Okay, I'll give you a question, Maisha. You have to solve it in this way. Come on, start off with this. Okay, the question is 525. Yes, Maisha, how are you going to solve it out? Can you do it on the screen? I cannot hear you. Maisha, you're not audible to me.
Yeah, I get it.
Yes. Okay, I want you to solve this one. I want you to solve this one, Maisha. $525. Start off with the numbers that you want. Come on. Basmala. Solve it on the screen, Maisha. Am I audible? Can you hear me out? Probably there's some
Yeah,
glitch.
I can. It's like very glitchy though.
Can you solve this on the screen, inshallah?
Yeah, can you just give me a second? I just need to blow my nose.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So just check what are the factors of 525. This is a kind of a practice problem for you, inshallah. I've solved it with 234. How did I start off with? I started off with the smallest number 2. First check what is the smallest number that is divisible by, that divides 525.
2 is divided by 1 and 2.
No, this is not how you solve it, Vita. The question that I have given is 525, okay? This is the question that you have, okay?
Okay.
Maisha, I'm asking you how to find the factors of 525. What you're going to do, Maisha, here is you're just going to write 525. You're going to see if it is divisible by 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, and more, okay? We'll start off with the 2 table. Does it divide with 2 table? No, because there is an odd here. So let me just skip this one too. We'll see with the 3 table now. Okay, 3. 3 1 times is 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 3 7 times is 21, 22. Yes, this is divisible by 3. So 525 divided by 525 divided by 3, how much it will give you, Maisha?
17.
175, okay? 175. So what you do here is you just write it in this manner. Okay, how you write it is, this is the chain that you're creating. Fine. First, you write 3 here. 3 multiplied by 175 will give you 525. Fine.
Yeah.
Now, next, what you do is you see the factors of 3. You do not have factors of 3. Leave here. Okay. Now, you go for checking 175. Check 175. Where you will find the factors of 175? Check with 3 again. 3 5 times is 3 5 times is 15, 3 6 times 18, 5 times 15, 16, 17, 25. No, this is not possible.
It's 5
5?
and 7.
Yes, it is 5. 5 1 times is 5, 5 3 times is 15, 16, 17, 2 remaining. 5 how many times is 25? 5 times is 25. So 5 multiplied by 35 will give you 175. Now again 35, in which table is it divisible? Can we just start off with 7? 5 times is 35. Yes, 7 5 times is 35. We will be having the prime numbers. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number at the end. So what are the factors now, Maisha? 525 is a factor, 1 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 175 is a factor, 35 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 7 is a factor. So 525. Have you understood it?
Yeah.
Yes, these are all the factors of 525. Understood? Factors का
Yeah.
मतलब होता है, it is nothing but these are divisible in the table 525. If you divide this with 525, then you will get these as the factors of it. So we'll see next problem, Aisha. Just do this one for me, inshallah. 231. Can you solve in the
231.
screen? Solve in the screen. Start off with a
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
The factors of 231 is
Divide and see with 2, beta. If it is not possible, leave this. Do it again with 3. 231 divided by 3. Divide it now and see.
231 divided by 3 is
Do it in this way, beta. Do you know this method? How to do this? 3 1 times is 3.
no,
Or you
it's
2 3.
77.
Is it 77?
Yeah.
Yes, it is possible, right? 231
Yeah.
divided by 3 is possible. So the answer is 77. What you do here is you just do it in this way. Write 3 here. 377 times is 231. Now tell me the factors of 77. Can you just find it in 7 into 11? Yes, 7 into 11
Yeah.
gives you this one. Now this is the factors. 3 is a factor, 77 is a factor, 7 is a factor, and 11 is a factor of 231. That's all. Because 7 is not further divisible and not 11 is also not further divisible, we stop here, okay? And we give 3, 77, 7, 11. We do it until we get the prime numbers as the answer, okay? We do this method until we get prime numbers as an answer. So this is a method known as the, what do we say, this method as tree method, okay? Factor tree method, okay? For example, if you have 60, how do you do this? How do you see the factors of 60? It is nothing but what you do is you just multiply it and see 6 into 10 gives you 60, right? Then you see 6, the multiples of 6, 2 into 3 will be multiples of 6. 2
1
is prime,
second.
3.
1 second.
Yes, Mansha.
Okay.
Then you see the 10.
Yeah.
What are the multiples of 10? 2 and 5 are
2,
the
5.
multiples of 10. Yes. So this is the prime number that you get at the end. So now what is the factors of 60, Maisha? 1, comma 60, comma, tell me what are the factors? 6,
2,
this is the factor,
6,
comma
10,
10, comma 2, comma, very good, 3, and separated by the
5.
commas. 5. All of these are the factors of 60. Understood? Now I'll give you a question. You are going to solve it now on the screen, inshallah. It will be 282 and you are going to solve this, inshallah. So 282, I'll write it here. Come on, Maisha, this is for you to solve.
Okay. Is it divisible by 2? Yeah. 282 divided by 2 equals 141.
Yes, excellent.
So,
How to write it? 1 here, very good. 1 factor here and 1 factor here. So 2 branches will have 2 factors. So 2 is the first factor. 141 is the next factor. Excellent. Okay.
and then
2 is a prime number, leave it out. Then check for the 141. Where will you find 141? Can you divide 141 in any number? Start off with the 3 tables.
yeah,
In which table can you find 141? Yes, it is in 3 table, Maisha.
Yeah.
Yes, right? What is it? 3 how
Uh,
many times is 141?
141. 1 second.
141 divided by 3.
It's 141 divided by 3 equals 47.
Yes, this is done. Very good. So now you have 47. You have factors of 47. Check if you can find the factors of 47. Do you have any factors of 47? Please
The
check with 47.
factors of 47.
Yes. Divide it with 2, not possible. Divide
No,
it with
it's
3.
just one.
Divide it with 3,
147.
not possible. Divide it with 4, not possible. Divide it with 5, not possible. 6, not possible. 7, not possible. 8, not possible. 9, not possible. 10, not possible. So 47 has no factors. So it is 1 in itself. So it is again a prime number. So what are the factors now, Aisha? What are the factors of 282? Write it down. 1, comma.
1.
Yes, very good. What is the next factor?
That's it. 1
2.
and 47.
2
Oh,
is also a
2.
factor, right?
Oh yeah, 2,
And then
3,
141 is also a factor. 3 is
3.
also a factor. Yes, 3 is a factor. Then 47 is a factor. 141 is a factor. So these were the factors of 282. Understood, Masha?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. If I give you a question 91, find the factors of 91.
The factors, so we would first divide it by
2,
uh
no. 3,
yeah,
no.
2.
4, no. Multiply and see. Divide and see. 4, do you find 91 in 4? No.
91,
91.
right?
Yes, yes. 91 and
Divided
4?
by
No.
4 equals, no, it doesn't work.
Divide by 3?
5, 3,
No.
91, no. 91 divided by 5,
6? No. 7?
no.
Just try with 7.
91 divided by 7, yes, 13.
Yes, do it. So just
Okay.
do it as
Uh,
excellent. 7 and 13 are the factors of 91. Do you have further, or can you have further factors of 7? No. 7 is a
No,
prime number. As further factors of 13, no, 13 is also a prime number. So
yeah.
7, 13, 1, and 99. So what are the factors of 91? It is nothing but 1,
7,
comma,
13,
7,
91,
comma,
1.
13, comma, 91. Excellent. Barakallah Fiki. So this is how you calculate the factors. But what about the prime numbers, Maisha? The prime numbers do not have the factors apart from itself and the number 1, right? So for example, if you
Yeah,
have the prime number 41, you cannot have any number as its factor apart from 1 and 41. Understood? This
yeah,
is an important fact about the prime number. The prime number will have exactly two factors, only one and itself. Okay. For
yeah,
example, 1 into 29 will give you 29, and nothing further than that will give you the factors of it. Okay. So
yeah,
only two factors, one and itself, for 41, for 29. So this is how you find out the factors, and this is how you encounter the this one, prime number. So what is the lowest prime number, smallest prime number? This is an important thing that you have to remember. 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay.
okay.
1 is not a prime number. Remember, 1 is not a prime number, and neither it is a composite number. It's not a prime number, nor it is a composite number. Fine. The next
Yeah,
thing that we are going to see is what are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. See how we are going to detect these prime numbers is, we'll write, if the question is asked, find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. If it is in that way, what you have to do is you have to just leave off the multiples of 2. Remember, because multiples of 2 are not the prime numbers. Correct?
yeah,
Because they are divisible in 12, 2 table, right? And also the multiples of 3 are also not prime numbers, right? For example, 6, 9,
yeah,
12, 15. Leave off all of it. Leave off 3, 6, 12, and leave off the multiples of 2. Leave off the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 2. Leave off all the multiples of 2. Leave off all the multiples of 2. leave off all the multiples of 2. This is gone. Correct? This is
Yeah.
also gone. Multiples of 2. Then the multiples of 3 are remaining. Even the multiples of 3 are not considered as the prime numbers. 3, 9 is also gone. And what are the multiples of 3? Just round it off and remove it all. 21, 27, and 33, and more. You just have to check it out and remove it out. And whatever is remaining apart from that, Maisha, will be your prime numbers. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13, 17, 19, 29, 23, 31. All of these that is mentioned in the purple color are the prime numbers. So how many prime numbers are there, Maisha? Can you just count? In between 1 and 100, how many are the prime numbers? There are
Yeah.
exactly 25 prime numbers.
Yeah.
So remember, there are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay. So this is the thing that I wanted to teach you. It is nothing but if you have the table 2, you have to leave all of the table 2, the multiples of 2. And then rest of it are your, you have to start off with selecting the prime numbers. Okay. Also, you have to leave off the multiples of 3. Also, you have to leave off the multiples of 4, 5, 6, 7. The multiples of each of it you have to leave off, correct? And the whatever is remaining apart from that will give you the prime number. Fine. For example, Maisha, if I tell you what are the factors of 61, can you find out? 61. I'll give you the space here. Can you tell me what are the factors of 61? Maisha, what are the factors of 61? Do it on the screen. I cannot hear you. Probably you have muted the mic. The factors of 61 is 1 and itself. Remember this, okay? So this is 61 is a prime number. If you try to do it with the 3, no, you cannot divide. With the 2, you cannot divide, and more, okay? So 61 is a prime number. So this is how you detect the prime number. Finally, I'm just going to revise it all. Maisha, I just want you to unmute the mic, inshallah, so that let it be an interactive session.
Okay.
Are you not doing well, Vita?
Yeah. I'm a little sick.
Okay, I just cannot hear you.
Speak.
Yes, Vita?
I'm a little sick, so it's hard for me to speak.
Okay, okay. So we'll just revise off and we'll just end this session, fine?
Okay.
Okay, so the prime number is nothing but it has 2 factors only. It is 1 and itself. Okay, remember this, Maisha. 1 and itself. And another thing is that prime number is not divisible by 2 or something like that. It is not divisible by 3 and more. You can give the examples of prime number, and composite number is nothing but it has more than 2 factors. It is anything apart from the prime number. So everything else from the prime number is a composite number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, remember this thing. So this is a quick revision, a quick lesson recap. Do you have any doubts on the prime number, Maisha? Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
So this was the session for today, inshallah. We'll just end the session, inshallah. Okay. Hope you found it interesting and hope you just learned something new, inshallah. Take care of yourself, beta. Inshallah. So this was the class for today.